Namaste Googleans. In the last video we start our chapter that is data handling. In the last video we learn about data, type of data, primary data and secondary data, and arrange the data in a tabular form with the help of tally marks. Now on the basis of that we will do more questions from the exercise 17.1 and the question number 1. And first question is over. Following are the members, number of family members in 25 families in a village, and the data is given. A family has 2 members, another has 3, 4, and so on. And what we have to do? We have to arrange the given data in tabular form using tally marks. First of all, to arrange this data in tabular form, we arrange the data in ascending order. Let's start. First of all, see, lowest number is 2, and we write 2. Then count 2. How many times it appear? It appears 2 times. So we write 2. Next number is 3. Count 3. How many times it appear? It appears 4 times. 3 appears 4 times. We write 3 4 times. Next number is 4. Count the number 4. How much time it appears? It appears repeat for 8 times. 3 and 3, 6, 7 and 8. Right? 4, 8 times. 4. That's okay. Next, we see that it appears 5, and 5 is appear 4 times. Right? 5, 4 times. Next, you see that number of family members is 6, and 6 family members appear 5 times. 3 and 2 here. 6 appear 5 times. And the last is highest family member is 7, and it appears 2 times. Now count it. It may be 25. Now we have to arrange this data in the form of ascending order. Now we arrange this in tabular form, or we have to make a table. In the first column, we write the number of family members. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? Number of family members 2, 3, next is 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the number of family members. Now number of families, those have only 2 members. Here we see that here 2 families have only 2 members, right? 2. Now number of families which have 3 members, and here we find the 4 such families which have 3 members. Next we find the 4 families, and 4 and 4, 8 families which have 4 members. Next here we see that 4 families which have 5 members, and 5 families which have 6 members, and only 2 families which have 2 members. And right here total is 6 plus 8, that is 14, plus 6, 20 and 25. That's your data is correct. Now we have to find the tally marks. For tally marks, we have to, in tally marks, write 2. We have to write only 2 lines. Next, for write 4, we have to write 4 lines. Next, we have to write 8 in tally marks. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4. And for 5, we write a line, dry line across all the 4 lines. Next, we have to write, this is 5, then we have to write 3 more lines for represent 8. Next, we have to represent 4, so we have to write 4 lines. And next, for represent 5, we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 lines and crossing 1 line. And next, for 7 member family have 2 such families, so we write tally mark as 2 lines. And now consider the next question, question number 3 of the same exercise. The question is the sale of shoes of various size at a showroom on a particular day is given below. This is the data. and we have to arrange this data in tabular form using tally marks. To arrange this data in tabular form, first we have to arrange this data ascending order or descending order as your wish. So we have to arrange this data in ascending order. So we see here that 5 is the least number. So we have to write 5 to arrange this in ascending order, and 5 appear 2 times. So we write 5 next with 5. Next number is 6, and 6 is repeated 5 times in this data. 6 is appear 5 times in this data. So we write 6 how much time? 5 times. And the next is 7. Next number is 7, and 7 appear in this data 7 times. Right? 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the next is number 8, which is appear 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. And 8 is also appear 7 times. Right? 8, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the next number is 9, which is appear 3 times. 2 is here and another is here. Right? 9, 3 times. And the last number is 10, which is appear only 1 time. So first of all we have to arrange this data in ascending. Now we have to arrange this data which we have arranged in ascending order in tabular form. So we have to make the tabular form or table. In the first column we write the size of shoes. It may be that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and the next number of sale of shoes on that particular day, and then we have to find the tally marks. So we have to find the size of shoes, and the size of shoes is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now this is the size of the shoes. Then we have to find the number of shoes. Number of shoes of size 5, which will be saved on particular day. See that there is 5 and 5 appears 2 times. So we write 5 as twice. Next the size of the shoes is 6, and we see that 6 is appear here 2 and 5 times. 6 appear 5 times, and the next 7. The size of the shoes is 7, and it appear or number of shoes is same at the day is 7. Next is 8. The size of shoes is 8, and the number of shoes same on the particular day is 7. So write 7. Next is 9. Size of the shoes is 9, and 9 number of shoes is same 3, and 10 number of shoes only same 1. You have to write total. Total is 7, 14, 21, 24 and 25. 25. Now we have to find the tally marks. For writing tally marks of 2, you know that we have to draw only 2 lines. For 5, we have to write 4 lines and then a line crossing all these 4 lines. Next for write 7. First we have to write 5. 4 line cross, 4 line, then a line crossing all the 4 lines. That is the symbol for 5. And next we have to write 2 more lines for represent 7. Next we have to done same, and next we have to find 3. We have to draw 3 lines, and last for 1 we have to draw only 1 line. This is our tally marks. Now the question is the age of 20 students in year of a class 6 of a school given as the data, and we have to arrange this data in tabular form using tally mark. First we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order, or you may write this in descending order. So first what you have to find minimum is 10, and 10 appear in this data only 1 time. So we have to write 10, and the next is 11. See that 11 appear how much time? Count it. And it appear 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next is 12. And count the number 12 appear. It appear 9 times. You have to count appear 9 times. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the last is 13. And 13 is appear in this data 3 times. 1, 2 and there is 3. And 13 appear only 3 times. That is all data. Now for we have to arrange this data in the tabular form. We have to make tables with 3 columns. And in the first we have to write the age of the students. Age in years. And in the second column we have to write number of students. Number of students. And in the last we have to arrange tally marks. Tally marks. So arrange the data. Okay. Next, age of the student is 10, 11, 12 and 13. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Number of students whose age is 10 is only 1. Right? 1. Next, number of students whose age is 11, there are 7 students. 7. And the number of students whose age is 12, that is 2, 4 and 9. And the number of students whose age is 13 are 3. First of all, you have to match, and total is total 20. Total student is 20. Now we have to make tally marks, and tally mark for 1 is 1, and tally mark for 7 we have to mark. First we have to write 5, that is 5. Then we have to write 2. That's okay. Then we have to arrange 9. So write 9 in tally marks. We have to write 5, 4 line crossing with 1 line, and then write 4. That is, see it again, 5 plus 4, that is 9. And the last is 3. And on the base of this table, few more questions is just discussed. And let's discuss the first question. And now on the basis of this tally marks, we have to ask few more questions. And one of them is, how many students are 13 years old? See from the directly from the or tabular form or data, age 13 years, and how many students? That is 3. And you directly may write 3 students are of 13 years old. And the next question is, find the difference between the age of eldest and youngest. We have to find the difference between the eldest and youngest. And youngest age is 10 and the eldest age is 13. So we have to find the difference between eldest and youngest, which is 13 minus 10, which is equal to 3 years. That's your answer. Now if you have any problem, you may ask your problem in the group.